Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a big o like load of stuff here that I want to share with you guys. So first things first, we are going to do another Dollar Tree haul. Cue the applause. Hey girl, hey. All right, no, seriously, we're going to do another Dollar Tree haul, but I'm also going to do a very small Walmart haul. I had to go out and get meds the other day. That's the only reason that we're doing this. So if you are curious to see what is included in today's haul, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, I had to stop at Walmart to pick up medications. So since I was there wasn't a lot of people there because I usually go early in the mornings. So I was able to look around a bit, which made me very, very happy. So first thing is first, I use Lumify for my eyes. I have super dry, scratchy, irritated eyes that are always red. I know sometimes you guys are probably watching my video going, damn, did she just smoke a beep? No, I didn't. I just have a really irritated eyes. So Lumify it's expensive, it is, but it's the only thing that works for me. So I love Lumify. So then I noticed that they had a ton of jewelry on clearance. Things that were like $10 were like $2, $2.50, or $1, $1.50. Like this necklace was $10. I paid $2.50. So always check the jewelry, because Time and True has an awesome like assortment of super cute jewelry. I got earrings to match that necklace. They are leopard inspired, and these were $6. I paid $1.50. So yeah, always check their jewelry, because anywhere from like $10 or maybe $10 to $12, I'll get it for like $1 to $2. So then they have these really cute interchangeable charm necklaces, and so I picked this one up. It was regular $8. It says I paid $2, but my receipt says $1. So it has like the Eiffel Tower, it has a heel, and then this really cute little bling bling, and then it's got the link chain so that you can interchange these. They also had the charms on sale, you guys. So then I got a charm bracelet. This was regular $6. I got it for $1.50. And it's just got like a little heart and key, and then like a little bling bling here. It's got a crown on the back. It's so cute. Super cute, right? So then I got another one, and this one has the angel wings on it and some crosses. And I thought that was really cute. This one was regular $6. I paid $1.50. And then they also, like I said earlier, had the charms on sale for these interchangeable charm things. So this one was regular $6. I paid $1.50. It's got a heel, a drink, and a handbag. These are so me. How cute is that? Make it a little closer. So definitely check your Walmart. And then I got another thing of charms, because if you guys don't know me and you're new here, I am a huge animal lover, and first and foremost, my dogs mean a lot to me. They are my children. They're my babies. So I saw this one that had a dog print, the dog tag, and then like a little like love for love my pet. So I had to have that one. Again, it was regular $6 and rang up $1.50. Next is this $10 bracelet necklace here, and it's just like a little, I don't know what you would call that, but it's really pretty, and I got it for $2.50. So that is my little Walmart haul. Let's move into the reason that the majority of you are here, and we're gonna get into a Dollar Tree haul. So the reason that I went to the Dollar Tree is because I needed some pot holders and kitchen towels and things like that. So that's why I went to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is right next door to my Walmart. So I got this, what do you call these? Little table mat thingy, because I actually use these in my studio to film. The one that I'm using now is completely disgusting. It's stained, and you can't even tell that anything was on there. These are only $1. It just says Home Sweet Home. So I got that to protect my table, you know, just in the area that I film with makeup and stuff. The next thing I got is this Rip It energy drink. It's cherry lime. I picked this up for Nick, you know, just to try him out. He does occasionally like to use energy drinks just for a pick-me-up. just occasionally. He knows how, you know, not good for you they are, so he doesn't use them often. But, you know, you think of the price that you spend on like Red Bulls, Monsters, Rock Stars. Those were only $1. And I will tell you guys, I asked him how it was because I actually picked him up 2 of these. And he drank it. He said it does work, but it wasn't like that get me up and then like make me crash type of deal. It actually did give him energy like towards the end of his shift. He said it wasn't like making him jittery or anything. It didn't make his heart race, which is a good thing because a lot of them do. He said the one thing that he didn't like about it was that it was like super sweet. Like it was like half sugar, he said. So just something to keep in mind if you're curious about the energy drinks at the Dollar Tree. All right. Moving on, I did pick up these pot holders from Home Collection, and I just got black and blue. They do come in a 2-pack, and they don't feel like the best quality, but they're not the worst either. Nick and I pretty much cook at home every single day. We do not eat out a lot, so we go through these like crazy. I also picked up these cute socks because they had nail polish on them, and this is all I wear for socks, is these cute little kind of print socks. I also picked up these 2-packs, or no, these 2 kitchen towels here. I just really like the microfiber towels. And then, also kitchen-wise, I picked up the cranberry apple juice. This is my favorite juice. Oh, I love cranberry apple juice. And I don't know what it is, you guys, but for some reason, the ones that are super cheap like this taste better to me. Like they don't taste really sugary. They just taste like cranberries and apples. And it's just really, really good. All right, moving on. So the next thing is this White Rain moisturizing conditioner. I picked this up because one of the girls that I watch here on YouTube, hey girl, I'm gonna link her channel here. You guys can check her out. She's awesome. She uses this to shave her legs. Now, I haven't used conditioner in quite a while to shave my legs just because I hate how it clogs up my razor. But I was thinking White Rain, it's a thinner formula, maybe it won't do that. So I'm definitely gonna try that out. She gave me that idea. You guys will love her channel. She does a lot of affordable hauls and like this, Walmart hauls, Dollar General hauls. She's just a ray of sunshine. I love watching her. She also does some really cool eye makeup tutorials, so definitely check her out. All right, moving along, I picked up these sachets because I had seen some people haul these in another Dollar Tree haul. I picked up lemongrass and ginger, and it's a 2-pack. You guys, these smell so good, but I'm gonna put these in my drawers and in my closet. The other one I picked up is white rose. And I picked up another one. It's bamboo, and I don't know if I already gave it to Nick to put in our closet, but I don't see it here. Oop, I forgot a kitchen thing. I picked up a spoon rest because I don't know what it is with men, ladies, but am I lying? Look, they will be throwing down in the kitchen, like throwing down bomb-ass meal, and then boom, you walk in and they're like, oh, hey, taste this. And there lies the spoon on the stove, and I just cringe. I cringe because it's like you're gonna have to chisel it off the stove. Use the spoon rest. And of course Nick will say, well, if somebody didn't break mine, who? Me? Yes, I did. It's like, I don't know, like a week after I moved in, I broke the spoon rest. Anyways, the next thing that I found and picked up is this Creme de Skin Nutritions. This is their hyaluronic acid plus a vitamin C serum. I have researched this stuff, and believe it or not, it has very high reviews. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I've added hyaluronic acid and a lot of serums recently to my skincare reggie. And even though it's super inexpensive, this has really high ratings. So if you can find this at your Dollar Tree, I'm telling you, grab it. Girl, we all need a little bit of hydration, okay? Even my oily skin girls out there, do not forget to hydrate. Moving on, I found this near the checkout. This is this vanilla sugar scented shea butter hand cream. This is 1.5 ounces. Y'all, I stopped buying the little teeny tiny hand creams at Bath & Body Works a while ago because you're getting like less than half of this and you're paying like $5 for it. You pay like $1 an ounce. Look, these do just fine. You know, until they're having a sale on the Bath & Body Works ones. Also, I want to point out, if you haven't been in a while, LA Colors has a ton of new makeup that they have in these little card things out at the Dollar Tree that you can, some products you can get on their website, but most of them you cannot. They are like exclusive to 99-cent stores, dollar stores. So I did find the LA Colors loose setting powder. It says it is a lightweight formula, and I got mine in medium. So remember, we're doing a full face of a $1 makeup soon. And then I also found this brow pencil. This is Defines and Fills Brows. Now this is available on their website, and it just comes with a little brush. But if you can find it at the dollar store, grab it there. You're gonna get it cheaper. The next item that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, all of my girls that watch me that are hairdressers, cringe now or forever hold your peace. I am still using this to color my roots. I mean, I usually have to color from like here, maybe back here a little bit, sometimes off in the side area, but it works for me. And I just feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. My hair is still growing super long. It's almost to my butt. And I'm just not going to say anymore. It's my hair. All right, you guys, moving on to the next product that I picked up. I found these cute little beauty jars, and they come with a spatula. So, you know, sometimes we get a little heavy-handed with our makeup. We take out too much foundation and mixer. What do you do with it? Do we throw it away? Do we put it in like a little takeout container? No, they make beauty jars with a spatula. So if you can find these, definitely pick these up. They are good for, you know, maybe you want to give your mom some new face cream to try out before she spends 60 bucks on it. There you go. This is really cool. I'm excited. Are you excited? All right, so the next thing that I picked up, please, please, please hold the negative, nasty comments. It is not for me. It is not for me. I did pick up 2 packs of facial wipes. As you guys know, if you've been with me since my first Dollar Tree haul, I got a lot of like lashback or whatever you want to call it for these. I no longer use these. I'm actually, I no longer purchase them for myself. I am going through the bin of these that I have, and I only use them when I'm filming. As far as my skincare and whatnot, I double cleanse. I do not use makeup wipes anymore, not even to remove my makeup at the end of the night and then go cleanse. So these I picked up for someone else, but this is the Micellar Water 3-in-1 facial wipes, Jasmine and Orange Blossom. Just letting you guys know they do have new scents out there. They also have a rose. I didn't get that one. It's a rose water and jasmine, or rose water. Hold on, guys. I can tell you in just a second. No, I cannot. It's rose water and something, but it smells rose water and coconut. There we go. So they have rose water and coconut and the jasmine and orange. And then I also picked up a cucumber and aloe. They also have new shower steamers. Now, I know a while back I hauled some, and a lot of us were like, oh, they're not very good. So I'm hoping, because these are by Bolero, and Bolero doesn't really skimp on the scent, I'm hoping that these are better. So I picked up Jasmine and Orange Blossom, and they're just these little things that you open, you unwrap them, stick them in the floor of your shower where the water's gonna hit, and it just kind of infuses your shower with like a beautiful calming scent. So I'm hoping that these work better. I also picked up this Jasmine and Orange Blossom paper facial mask. It says it will smooth, soften, and repair. And this is for all skin types. It says refresh. I'm telling y'all, if you are sleeping on the Bolero mask and you're someone that likes a sheet mask and you don't want to spend a ton of money on them, you really don't have to. As long as you're using the proper skincare that works for your skin, you know, cleanse your face, do your serums, and then put this on, you're still going to help push those other serums into your skin. So don't skimp on these. They come with a ton of product. They're highly saturated. These are so good. I can't say enough good things about them. All right, moving on. I also picked up this little lipstick organizer. I have a new dresser that's going in my studio soon. We've just had so much going on, guys. That's why I haven't finished with the Clean With Me video that I'm working on and then giving you guys the studio room tour. But soon you guys will see everything set up. So yeah, I picked this up. My Dollar Tree was like popping with organizing stuff. You guys, I could not believe it. I can never find this stuff at my Dollar Tree. I also found another Bodycology Cherry Blossom Cleansing Shower Jelly. I ain't gonna lie, I got another haul to do for you guys either later this month or next month, and I kind of bought several of these, so. These are so good. They're by Bodycology. They're nice and moisturizing. You only need a tiny bit of product, and the Dollar Tree has these. They're probably between, I don't know, $7 and $8 maybe at the drugstore. So I was really happy to find them at the Dollar Tree. I also picked up this letter board. I just thought it would be a neat idea when I finally do get back here. And disclaimer, before anybody says anything mean to me, remember, I live on a farm with a lot of animals. So I still have not gotten back here to, you know, redecorate and everything. There's a reason for that. So anyway, I got this. I thought it would be really cool to leave you guys like positive messages and stuff in upcoming videos. So they do have letter boards. Moving on to the next item. I am so stoked, you guys, that I found these organizer bins. I have never ever seen these at my Dollar Tree, and they're like this. It's called the Essentials Organizer. Now, my Dollar Tree had these clear ones in the school section. They also had them in the section where they have all different kinds of organizers. They also had these in the section where they sell craft supplies. So, oh, and then they had them in a third section, you guys. They had this stuff over by the food. Not by the food products, but like the kitchen utensils and stuff. So if you are looking for these clear organizers in your Dollar Tree and you cannot find them, look in those 3 spots. They probably have them. They're just hiding a lot. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these because I have, yeah, I have to have organization and stuff for my dresser when it goes up. So I also picked up these 2 bins right here, just these little guys, because they're only $1. Now, if you guys don't remember, I told you before I was reorganizing my closet, which I have started on, and I need organization bins for up above on the shelf and then down below. So I'm gonna use these little cheap baskets and do it. But I'm telling you, these are a steal. They're not the most high quality made, so I wouldn't purchase these for any use in like children's rooms or anything like that. Use them for yourself in your bathroom to organize your makeup, anything like that. I definitely wouldn't use these in the kitchen, but to each their own. If it's just adults in the house, I don't think you'll have any problems. So far, I'm pretty clumsy, y'all, and I have not broken any of this kind of stuff that I've bought from the Dollar Tree, and it's done an amazing job organizing my makeup. I'm so happy with it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my little rambly Dollar Tree haul slash Walmart haul. I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on the jewelry section at Walmart. They clear those sections out all the time to bring new stuff in. It's like as soon as it comes in, it's there for a couple weeks, boom, they're clearancing it out. I only shop clearance racks usually, so. All right, you guys, so that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who clicked on today's video to take time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. You guys, it truly means the world to me. Anytime you watch a video, click that like button, leave me a comment. It just does more than you guys know. You guys are just a huge part of my life now, and I'm so grateful to have each of you in my life. Thank you. To those of you who are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I'm so glad that you made it to the end of the video. I hope that before you leave today, you will hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. I do hauls like this at least once a month, if not more sometimes. I do makeup videos. I do vlogs where I kind of let you see in on my life a little bit. Yeah, so hopefully you'll hang out with us. The more the merrier. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Please, you guys, continue to stay safe out there. Protect yourself, your loved ones, and everyone around you. Don't forget to check on your elderly neighbors, guys. They shouldn't be going out in this stuff. So if we can help them and lend a hand, hey. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Again, stay safe, stay positive, and stay beautiful. And have an amazing day wherever you are. Bye.